Good morning, student. I have revised so many chapters of mathematics and I have given to so many questions for solution. Now from today I am going to start CBSE sample paper, which is very important because there are some new concepts in CBSE sample paper like case study question also. I will do these questions also. Let us take CBSE sample paper which is issued by CBSE. See the part A, section 1, that is the question number first. If xy is equal to 180 and HCF of xy is equal to 3, find LCM. Find LCM or the decimal representation of 14857 upon 2 power 1 into 5 power 4 will terminate after how many place of decimal? Let us see. We know that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two number HCF is given to you 3, LCM is this, numbers are x into y, LCM into 3, xy is 180, so LCM is 180 upon 3, that is equal to 60. Or part, it is 14857 upon 2 power 1 into 5 power 4. We will find the decimal representation and find it after how many place of decimal it is terminating. You see the highest power of 5 is 4. So you make this 2 power is 1 to make it power 4. How will you make it? 2 power 1, 5 power 4. If it has only 1 power, we need 4 power, so it is has 3 power less. So multiply and divide by 2 power 3. So it will be 14857 into 8, 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. So multiply it, 8 7 is 56, 8 5 is 40 and 5 45, 8 is 64 and 4 68, 8 4 is 32, 32 and 6 38, 8 1 is 8 and 3 11. 8 7 is 56, 8 5 is 40 and 5 45, 8 8 is 64 and 4 68, 8 4 is 32 and 6 38, 8 1 is 8 and 3 11, 10 power 4. So it will be decimal after 4 place of, we will put the decimal after 4 place of digit. So the decimal, it will terminate after 4 place of decimal. Next, question number second. Is the sum of the zeros, if the sum of the zeros of quadratic polynomial three x square minus kx plus 6 is 3, find k. So you know it. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Alpha plus beta is minus B upon A. Sum of the zeros is given to you. This one, this is 3. Minus B is minus K, A is 3. So 3 is equal to K upon 3, or K is equal to 9 answer. Third, for what value of K the equations three x plus y is equal to 3, 6x plus ky is equal to 8 does not have a solution. For no solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So putting the value, a1 is 3, a2 is 6, b1 is 1, b2 is k, not equal 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon k, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So k is equal to 2 is the answer. Fourth question. Fourth question is, if 3 chair and 1 table cost, if 3 chair and 1 table cost rupees 1500 and 6 chair and 1 table cost rupees 2400, form a linear equation in 2 variable. Let cost of 1 chair is rupees x, cost of 1 table is rupees y. So 3 chair, that is 3x. 1 table, that is y, is equal to 1500. 6 chair, 6x, and 1 table, that is y, 2400. These are the two equations. Question number 5. Which term of the AP 27, 24, 21 is 0, or in an AP if D is equal to -4, N is equal to 7, An is equal to 4, find A. So to see it, 27, 24, 21. A is 27, D is 24 minus 27, that is A2 minus A1, that is -3, and An is 0. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 0 is equal to 27 plus N minus 1 into -3. 27 minus 3n plus 3, that is 30 minus 3n, or 3n is equal to 30, or n is equal to 30 upon 3, that is 10. Or it is given that in an AB, D is equal to -4, N is equal to 7, An is equal to 4. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into -4. 7 is equal to A plus 6 into -4. A minus 24. Now take on left side, that is A, or A is equal to 31 is the answer. Okay, 5 question हो गए.